In some more breaking developments, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has questioned the terror crackdown and he has linked the crackdown to the general elections. Now, Omar Abdullah tweeted saying, and I quote, "For 4.5 years, Yasin Malik isn't a threat. Jamaat-e-Islami isn't a threat. Pakistan National Day is a function that must be attended. Now suddenly, once elections is announced, an immediate U-turn is executed. The Yasin Malik-led Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front was banned by the centre under the anti-terror law on Friday." Zeenat Zishan is with us on the phone line. A very good morning to you, Zeenat. But looking at the several tweets that Omar Abdullah did, especially when it comes to the occasion of Pakistan Day, which was boycotted by India, and when it comes to JKLF being now labelled as a terror organisation, this is something that is not going down with not only Omar Abdullah but other Kashmiri leaders and politicians as well.
Amita, you have said it rightly that it's not only going well with the Omar Abdullah but other political leaders of the valley, as we have seen in past as well when the ban was imposed on the Jamaat-e-Islamiyah, how the Mehbooba Mufti or even reacted, even the Sajjad Loan reacted to it. Even there were a lot of rallies that were conducted by the Mehbooba, the protest rallies, even by the Omar Abdullah he has been talking about. Such ban, now that less than a month after its ban on the social religious organization, the Jamaat-e-Islami, now the government of India has another ban on the separatist group, that is the JKLF, led by the Yasin Malik, and unlawful association under the provision of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act of 1967. So we need to see, because as per our sources are telling us that not only the Jamaat-e-Islamiyah or the JKLF, but we are expecting more crackdown on the other groups, be it the Jamaat-e-Ahmadis or the separatist group. Maybe in time the Mirwais Soviet Conference is going to witness the same kind of ban. But at the same time, when these political leaders are in power, they definitely say the different things for the separatist leaders and for this organization. But when they are out of power, they show a lot of love and respect for the organization and for the people. But at the same time, we have been seeing when Omar Abdullah was in power,
because these were the very same politicians and those separatist leaders who were invited at the Pakistan National Day celebrations here in the national capital. But these were the very same people who continue to eat from the Indian plate. But when it comes to the praises, that continues for Pakistan and Pakistan only. Well, now the crackdown has begun. This is again being questioned by the Kashmiri politicians. Zeenat, for the moment, thank you very much.